If you had all the money you could ever want and all the free time to enjoy it, how would your life be different? Would you buy your dream house, drive a brand new car, take more vacations, pay off credit card bills, give more to charity, spend more time with friends and family? Of course the answer is yes. My name is Bob Rainham, and I was a policeman for over 10 years. Like so many of you, my dreams were much bigger than my paycheck. As a matter of fact, most people are part of what I call the 40-40-40 Club, where you work 40 hours a week for 40 years of your life to retire on 40% of what you could not afford to live on in the first place. Did you know that 97% of Americans retire at or below the poverty level? I've literally asked tens of thousands of people why that happens, and frankly, they don't know. Here's why. Most people are prohibited from earning both money and time freedom because time is limited. Even if you never slept and you work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, the maximum number of hours that you can earn on in any given week is only 168. So how do you fix it? The answer is really simple: leverage. Leverage simply means this, that you have more people contributing to your income than just yourself. Your car wasn't built by itself, your house wasn't built by itself, and your income definitely should not be built by itself. So how does the average person get leverage into their income? By finding a hot business opportunity backed by a hot product. You get super excited and you get paid to tell other people about it. I think all of us would agree that we know at least 2 people that want to make extra income. And they know 2 people, and they know people. Do you know that if you follow those numbers, after less than 1 year, that you would be earning off the efforts of over 4,000 people? So what sounds better to you? Earning off just your own efforts, or earning off the efforts of hundreds or even thousands of people? I started Talk Fusion to help people, to give them the opportunity to live their dreams, to show them how to make money the right way, to help them do things that they never thought possible, to help them thrive instead of just merely survive. I've traveled the world paying people a lot of money and rewarding people with world-class incentives at the same time. From beautiful 5-star vacations to brand new Mercedes-Benz, incredible Rolex watches, and absolutely stunning recognition rings. We teach people to become so successful that they can give back. It's part of our company culture. And we inspire our associates to do the same thing, to be part of something bigger than themselves. A key ingredient in any business is timing. It's about being at the right place at the right time. Think about it for a second. Wouldn't you absolutely love to become involved with McDonald's long before anybody knew what a Big Mac was? What about Microsoft? Wouldn't you have loved to become involved with Microsoft before anybody had ever heard of Windows? The exact same timing opportunity exists for you right now here at Talk Fusion. Every business anywhere in the world, it doesn't matter what you're marketing or where you're located, not only needs but wants our products. And best of all, you can only get them from Talk Fusion. This creates an absolutely incredible business opportunity for you. Now, I'm going to show you our products, but what I want you to think about when you're watching them is this. How many businesses do you know right now that would absolutely love to have our products? Let's take a look.
Talk Fusion brings you the power of the play button. With video email, you can upload or record a video and place it in an eye-catching template. Choose from thousands of themes for every occasion in multiple languages, or create your own in a few simple steps. Add images, logos, or photos from our extensive library. Edit your contact information. Even replace our logo with your own. You can also request a custom template from our design team that will perfectly match your brand and help you stand out in the inbox. And if you have more to say, choose video newsletters. They're easy to customize. Drag and drop text, photos, and videos, or pick from thousands of themes. From personal to business, the uses are endless. To help you build your email list quickly, we offer sign-up forms. With customizable backgrounds and form fields, you can quickly and easily capture more leads. You can add to your website, blog, Facebook, or video newsletter. Even set a video email or newsletter as an autoresponder to welcome new contacts to your list. For those face-to-face moments, there's video chat. It's the next best thing to being there in person. and it doesn't matter which type of device you're on. Video chat connects them all. Create a private meeting room to chat with friends and family, or clients, customers, and team members. For a more polished, interactive presentation, host a video conference with live meetings. Stream video, share your desktop and slides. Keep your audience engaged with polls and live chat. You can easily record the meeting for future use, and even pass the camera to make any one of your guests the presenter. People can log in from any phone, tablet, or computer. So no matter your location, budget, or schedule, you can close more sales, share more ideas, and do more business. Head to your real-time reporting to see who attended your meeting and answered your surveys. Plus, track who watched your video emails and newsletters, and how many people opened and forwarded your messages and clicked through to your website. From email to live broadcasting, TalkFusion meets all of your communication needs, all from one login. Let's take a look at our product packages. With the video email only package, you'll get access to video emails, not the entire video marketing platform, plus one custom email template. This will be a one-time payment of $99 and just $10 per month. The Video Suite package offers all of our products in the video marketing platform, plus 2 custom video email templates for a one-time cost of $499 and $50 per month. Our most popular package, the Pro package, gives you access to our entire video marketing platform and unlimited video email templates and storage for a one-time cost of $14.99 plus $50 a month. By going Pro, you can also place your logo on every video email and newsletter you send. By far the best value. So what is TalkFusion? An opportunity of a lifetime. Everyone is marketing something. Now they can do it better, faster, and easier from one place. And we pay you to show them how. Let's talk a bit more about how you can turn products into profits in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Become an associate. This is completely free, and you'll start earning instantly with a 10% Fast Start bonus on any products you sell. That's $10 for selling the Video Email Only package, $50 for the Video Suite package, and $150 for the Pro pack. We'll give you self-replicated marketing sites, training materials, and your very own back office to track your sales and build your business. Step 2. Build your team. When you make 2 sales, one on the left and one on the right, you become a team builder. Success at TalkFusion centers on teamwork. Here's how it works. Each product has a point value called sales volume. The Video Email Only package is worth 40. The Video Suite package is worth 200, and the Pro package is worth 600. As you and your team make product sales, the points will begin to flow up through your business. Step 3. Become a team leader. How do you do this? Teach your 2 personally sponsored associates to become team builders. When your team earns, so do you. You'll earn 10% in team commissions based on the leg of your team with the least sales volume. Once you earn a one-time requirement of 400 personal sales volume in both your left and right teams, your commission will double to 20%. If you want to take the slow and steady route, you can sell a combination of product packages until you reach the 400 sales volume goal. Eager to start earning? You can make 20% from the start by sponsoring the Pro package on both your left and right teams. The people in your team are 90% more likely to sponsor the same package as you. So if you choose to build your team with the Video Email Only pack, it will take you 10 times longer to build your business than with the Pro pack. If you sponsor 2 Pro associates, you would earn a Fast Start bonus of $150 per sale for a total of $300. On top of that, you'd earn $120 in team commissions, totaling $420 of commissions. Those earnings will continue to grow as fast as your team does. With only 25 people in your business, you can earn $1,500. With 50 people, you can earn an extra $3,000. With 100 people, you can earn an extra $6,000. Get paid to unlimited levels. You can earn up to $150,000 per week in team commissions alone. And the earning doesn't stop there. With mega matching bonuses, you can earn up to 50% of the team commissions generated by your personally sponsored associates through 10 generations. This extra income has never been more essential for a better life.
I was reading an article the other day, and it was really quite shocking. It said that the average American doesn't even have $400 in their bank account. So what does that mean? It means you need to get paid now, not later. That's why TalkFusion has the world's first and only instant pay compensation plan, where your commissions are deposited directly into your bank account or onto your TalkFusion branded Visa card within 3 minutes. In school, we're taught math, we're taught science, we're taught history, but one thing we are never taught is how to make money. In this business, it doesn't matter your occupation, your age, or even where you live. What matters is this, that you still have a dream and you're willing to do something about it. Can you make TalkFusion work for you? Of course you can. The business is really just this simple. Step 1, get excited and ask everyone you know if they're interested in making extra money. Of course you can do that. Step 2, direct them to this very presentation and let me explain everything for you so you don't have to. Sure, you can do that. And step 3, follow up with somebody in your upline to help answer questions for your prospects. You can do that as well. The business is just that simple. And remember this, the richest people in the world build networks. Everyone else simply looks for work.
Hi, I'm Allison Roberts, VP of Training and Development, and I'm here to share the simple steps to creating your own unique video newsletter so you can engage your audience, build your contact list, and brand yourself in a whole new way. So let's get started. First, log into your Video Communications Center. From here, click on either the Create Video Newsletter link in the Video Newsletter tab dropdown or the Video Newsletters icon in your TalkFusion product quick launch. Either one will take you directly to your Video Newsletter Design Studio. For easy tracking, please title your new video newsletter. Let's call this one Weekly Special, and type the title in right here so we'll know exactly what it's for. You can browse more than 400 beautiful designs in multiple themes, including our ready-to-use TalkFusion opportunity and product templates. And look, here's business, congratulations and thank you, some wonderful motivational themes, sports and hobbies. There's something for every message and occasion. For this tutorial, we're going to use the Build Your Own template because it shows all of the great ways you can customize your own video newsletter. When you choose a template, it's automatically in edit mode, which means you can fill in your own text and upload your own images. It is even Unicode compatible, so you can create your own video newsletter in multiple languages. You can upload your own banner by clicking on the upload icon, then picking another image from your hard drive. Let's create a headline. Just double-click here and the HTML editor will appear, and type in the headline of your choice. Once satisfied, click the little disk icon to save it. You can add or remove headlines, video, or text with a click of the mouse. It's all up to you. Selecting a video for your newsletter is easy. You can upload one from your hard drive, record one with your webcam, use a previously saved video, or select one of our professionally recorded TalkFusion Pro videos. You can even share your video with the world by uploading it to our Fusion Wall social network. Or skip this step to keep your video private. You can always make it public later. Want to rearrange the layout of your newsletter? No problem. Click Click the Arrange button and change the look of the video newsletter you just created by moving images, blocks of text, and even the video player. You can even click on the Preview and Test button to see how your newsletter will appear when it is sent. This feature allows you to send one to yourself to preview it before you send it out. Now you're ready to save your newsletter or send it. Let's send it by clicking Send. That takes you to the Compose Message page. This is where you can fill in your recipients. You can type in or search for individual email addresses, or just click on the Contacts folder from your address book to add an entire mailing list all at once. Then create an attention-getting subject line for your video newsletter. You can even add links to your own Facebook and Twitter profiles. When you're done, send your one-of-a-kind TalkFusion video newsletter right away or schedule it to go out later, just once or multiple times at intervals you decide. Once sent, you will be notified how many recipients it was sent to. The world's first video newsletters have real-time notification and reporting features built in to help you track your results. Each time a recipient watches the video in your newsletter, you'll get a real-time email notification. Back in the Video Communication Center, you can click on the Send report under the Video Newsletters tab to keep track of how many people have watched, forwarded, and click the links in each of your video newsletters in real time. You can monitor your spam and bounce backs too. Also, under the Video Newsletters tab, you can manage, edit, or delete your video newsletters at any time using the Newsletter Manager. Plus, see all of your ongoing campaigns and newsletters scheduled to be sent in the future with the Scheduled report. So there you have it. This product is simple, point and click, and easy to use. With the world's first video newsletters, you'll be building relationships, your contact lists, and your business in no time. Looking to boost your business? TalkFusion can turn your website visitors into revenue-producing customers. Automatically capture more business leads with our e-subscription form. Let's get started. Log in to your Video Communication Center. Then move your cursor over the button entitled Video Responders. Select the eSubscription 2.0 link from the drop-down menu, and your eSubscription 2.0 web form dashboard will appear in a new window. You can view all of your eSubscription 2.0 campaigns here in the dashboard and click on each to retrieve information. To create a new automatic lead capture form, click on the Click Here in the dashboard banner to open your eSubscription 2.0 web form builder. In the web form builder, you can create and customize your automatic lead capture form to best suit your needs. Start by selecting a design from the Web Form Builder's animated gallery. You can browse more than 100 designs by category, by the latest, the most popular, or your favorites. Use the left and right arrows to scroll through categories. When the design you want appears in the gallery, click on it. Your design will appear in the Design Studio below the gallery. This is where you can customize your automatic lead capture form to best suit your needs. You can add specific or generic fields from the menu on the left, edit or delete fields directly on the form itself, and name and further customize the look and function of your form using the menu on the right. Note: TalkFusion product and opportunity forms are fixed for size and number of fields. At any time, you can see how your form will look on your website by clicking the Preview button. Start over with the form's default look and fields by clicking the Clear Form button, or get assistance by clicking on the Help button. Start by adjusting the width of your form by using the slider located above the form on the right. Width is measured in units of digital size called pixels. The default setting is 360 pixels, which is also the widest. You can go as low as 200 pixels wide. Next, add some fields to your form. By default, your form has fields for name and email address. Let's say you want to add a field for subscribers to enter their phone number. Click on the number field selection in the left menu. A field labeled number will be added to your form. Perhaps the field labeled number isn't specific enough. You want the field to be labeled phone number. Hover your cursor over the number field until the pencil and the X appear, then click on the pencil. A pop-up window will appear in which you can type a new label, which will change automatically on the form. You can also use the Edit Pencil pop-up to make the field required by clicking on the Validation tab and making sure the required box is checked. You can add as many fields as you need to your automatic lead capture form in this manner. Simply choose the style you want from the left menu and click it. Then hover your cursor over the new field on the form and click the pencil to edit it. Your form will stretch vertically to accommodate new fields. By default, your automatic lead capture form is entitled Contact Form. To change the title, hover your cursor over the title until the pencil icon appears. Click on it, then type your new title into the form title box and click Apply. To delete the form title or any field that you have added, hover the cursor over that field. Click X and confirm your desire to delete it. Note, the default name and email address fields cannot be deleted. Add a banner to your automatic lead capture form by clicking on Banner Library and selecting a TalkFusion banner. Clicking on My Banners and choosing from banners you have used previously, or clicking on Upload Banner to use a banner stored on your computer's hard drive. If you decide you do not like the banner you have chosen, simply click the X to delete it. The eSubscription 2.0 Web Form Builder right menu offers other custom options as well. You can change your form's background color or adjust the size and color of your title and field labels to get the exact look you want. You can even tell the form where to send a subscriber after the Submit button is pressed by inserting a web address into the redirect URL box. Enter the name of your new automatic lead capture form in the box at the top of the right menu. We suggest using a name that is easy to remember and relates to the specific usage of the form. The eSubscription 2.0 Web Form Builder will automatically check to make sure you have not already used the name you select. When you have your new automatic lead capture form just the way you want it, save your work. Clicking Save Your Form will take you to the eSubscription 2.0 Web Form Builder campaign page. Congratulations! You have successfully created your own brand new automatic lead capture form. On the eSubscription 2.0 Web Form Builder campaign page, you can preview your form, copy the automatically generated HTML code to place the form on your website, and attach the form to a new or existing eSubscription 2.0 campaign. Let's create a new campaign in which we will create personalized video emails that will automatically be sent to the new subscribers who fill out your automatic lead capture form. Type in the name of the new campaign. We suggest using a name that is easy to remember and relates to the specific use of the campaign, and click the Create New Campaign button. You will be taken to the Campaign Studio. Your Campaign Studio works identically to your Video Email Studio. Use your custom template. Choose from thousands of pre-designed templates or create a new template by changing the border, banner, headline, and picture using our easy on-screen icons. To create a new template by changing the border colors, banner, picture, or headline, simply hover your cursor over the area you want to change until the option icons appear. Then select the option you want. You can select banners and pictures from TalkFusion's library or upload new ones from your computer. Once you are satisfied with your template, you will want to select or make a video for your new campaign. You can choose to make a new video with your webcam, import a video from your computer, use a saved video from your video library, or share a Fusion Pro video. In this tutorial, we will use a Fusion Pro video, so click the link in the template with the TalkFusion logo and the words Fusion Pro Videos. In the pop-up window, select a category of Fusion Pro videos. We'll select General Business. Check the boxes under the videos you would like to use. With e-subscription, you can select just one video or as many as you like. When you are finished, click the Use Selected Video, Sort Selected Videos button. If you selected more than one video, a new pop-up window will open with your videos pictured vertically. You can reorder them easily by simply clicking on the images and dragging them up or down. When you have the videos in the order you want them, click the I am done sorting button. You will be directed back to your campaign studio, which now includes options to add more videos to your video email, save your template, and compose the text of your message. To add more videos, select your video library or the TalkFusion Pro video library and repeat the previous two steps. To save your current template, click the Save Template button, name your template, and click Save. You also have the option to set your current template as your default template. When you are satisfied with your video email and template, click the Compose Message button. Here is where you create a personalized message to be sent with your video autoresponder. Set the time frame you prefer and write your own subject line and message. You can also instruct the video autoresponder to insert a personal greeting into each message. Replace TalkFusion's Facebook and Twitter URLs with your own, or remove the social media link buttons completely. When you are satisfied with the contents of this campaign's message, click the Save Message button. Congratulations! You have successfully created a video autoresponder campaign for your automatic lead capture form. Every person who fills out your form will receive your attractive, personalized video email delivered at the time you have specified. On this page, you can view message information as it relates to your subscribers. You can edit or recall single messages, or add a message to a particular subscriber, as well as keeping track of how many times your message has been sent and viewed. You can also cancel the campaign here. Before we finish, let's take a look at where new subscribers who fill out your form will appear in your address book. Back in your Video Communications Center, move your cursor over the Video Emails drop-down menu and click on View Contacts. On the left menu in your address book, a folder with the name of your new automatic lead capture form will be automatically created the first time someone joins your list and confirms their email address. After that, every lead who fills out your form will be added to this folder, allowing you to easily keep track of your generated leads. E-subscription forms are the simple way to let people subscribe to your website, receive a free offer, or get sales information. Be sure to add a personal touch to every customer interaction. Start creating your own campaigns today.
Hello everyone, Scott Scales coming to you from the TalkFusion team, and I'm pleased to bring you another tutorial on the TalkFusion video conference and video broadcast system. In this video, I'm actually just going to walk you through a quick summary of the actual platform itself when you're hosting a video conference and a video broadcast. So what I'm going to do is I've come into my back office, I've gone to my meetings, and I'm going to click on the link to actually load up one of my conferences. I'll take it up to full screen. I know we're cutting off the top of the banner here, but you'll get plenty of screen here to see what's important. So I'm going to bring this in, and then I'm going to log in. And now I'm actually logging into the back of a video conference and video broadcast. Now kind of keep in mind that while you have a video broadcast and video conference center, they are interchangeable with the push of a button, and I'll get into that as we move forward. But I wanted to walk you through just some of the basic things to understand in the back of your TalkFusion video conference video broadcast platform. At the top you do have a custom banner. Right now we're also able to take this banner off to allow for a more full screen view for the user. So that's actually coming out on the 16th of this month, and that's a big plus. Then we have the actual menu right here, and I'm just going to walk through this real quick. This menu is for the administrator area. It allows you to invite more participants. You can do it from your user accounts that you may have already set up or by email. If you're inviting by email, again, this person needs to or it needs to be a public meeting where the user doesn't need to have a username and password. Then we have the block incoming attendees. So if you've got a meeting that's in session with a couple of users and you don't want anybody else to come into that meeting, you can block it and not allow anybody else to come in. That's a really nice feature. We have the ability to record meetings. We can place the entire conference on hold and then come back. We could end the meeting. We can leave the meeting. So we could actually have a meeting in session, click leave meeting, and those attendees that are there would still be there until the conference time is over. The microphone settings and the camera settings are important. I'm not going to click on these because I'm actually on a recording and it would mess everything up. But if you click on these, it's going to allow you to select your microphone and your camera that you're going to be using on this platform. So again, I'm not going to click on these now, but this is where you would actually find those settings. So if you have people coming on board, they're also going to see this microphone setting and camera settings as a user, and you can direct them there if they're having issues with their camera or their microphone. The next is layouts. Layouts is a very cool feature. It allows you to really be able to modify the look of your screen with a push of a button. And I'll get into this in another video, but we're able to really kind of customize the look and feel of this and switch these again with the push of a button. You'll see here under custom layouts, I've created some custom layouts, and we'll get in that in another tutorial. Under pods, pods basically are the modules that we see. So, we have a video mod, we have the attendee video mod, we have the presentation. So pod actually simply just means a module on the screen that would be active, and you can either come up here and click on a module to bring it onto the screen or bring it off the screen, or you can bring it on the screen by clicking up here, and then there's a little X button that you can actually close a module. Also, on every module that's on the screen, or pod as they're called, you can make them go full screen, or you can make them go back to here, and you can also manually resize any particular box on the window. Just keep in mind that the primary box will be on top, and then so on. So once you do this, you're going to want to make sure that you can get back and forth between those modules. So again, very, very easy to move around, to add content to your screen, to remove content from your screen, to resize the content. Very, very, very flexible system. So just want to kind of show you guys that very quickly, that it's easy to change everything around on the screen, which, again, most platforms don't have any functionality like this at all. So again, adds a lot of functionality to what we're doing. Want to show you real quick just each of the modules that we have. We have the attendee list. This is where the attendees will show up. And then we have the presenter screen, and I'll turn mine on. I'll show you my smiling face. When you go to turn your camera on, it's going to give you a security to allow it to happen. So I'm going to make sure we can do it. And now you'll actually see that I'm here recording this video. And if I wanted to turn my mic on, I would simply click here and turn my mic on. And if I click right here, that microphone is always going to be on. I'm not going to click that right now because we get a double feed into the recording. But over here, if somebody does not have a headset and they're on, it's very important to tell them not to leave their mic on, because it will automatically cause echo based on the fact that the sound would come out of their microphone, or excuse me, out of their speakers and right back into their microphone. But if they are on a conference without a headset, they can simply push a button to hold it down to talk just like a walkie-talkie, and let go when they're done. So this is the presenter screen where the main presenter can be housed, and over here I can actually broadcast my camera in two places, and you'll notice that I'm up in this screen as well, and I could turn my microphone on over here, and I can actually disappear from over here and show up over here and be just part of the conference. So again, very, very flexible. Can take it from small to big, and we can have up to 15 users in this screen. So again, very powerful, as we move forward, and you can invite as many people to watch these conferences as you want to. We have an unlimited number of participants that come and watch, but 15 on this screen and then one broadcaster showing here. Here we actually have a chat box where users can chat back and forth. And you can make this so that that everybody can see it, or just also be able to go and clear the chat and then disable the chat for participants if you choose to disable it during the conference. And so up here is, again, this is the chat box. I can come up, I'm just going to turn all these on so we can just kind of look at each one. The attendee list is pretty straightforward. This is where you have your attendees that are showing up on the conference. I can also bring up a notes area. This is just where I can keep some free-form notes that I may want to put into the chat box at a later time, or that I want to remind myself to go through certain points on the conference. I also have a file share, and the file share will allow me to upload files from my local machine that then can be downloaded by attendees on the conference. And then I can also enable it so that the participants can do uploads as well, or I can turn that off so that only administrators can put the files up there, and then also have the ability to remove files that have been placed up here very quickly. And again, each one of these modules is great because you can just click on the little X button and get them off the screen. They're out of your way. And we also have a Q&A feature where, again, people can ask their questions. They can type them in and they'll show up in this box, and then you can actually answer them. And again, on this, they can be private questions where only the administrator can see the questions coming in, or you can show the questions to everybody and the answers to everybody. So you have a lot of control over who's going to see which parts of your conference. And then we also have a whiteboard where we can do full whiteboard presentations, where I can actually come in on the screen and I can write and do drawings and all of these things. I don't have a bamboo tablet on here right now, so that's with my mouse, and a little bit elementary, but it gets the point across. So you do have full whiteboarding capabilities. Down here, we have the ability to share our desktop. I'm not actually going to do this because I'll actually show you, but what you're going to see is just the gray screen. Then your users will actually see your desktop. And then over here, we have the ability to, right here, do surveys, where I can actually bring a survey in and then share this survey with the group, and then they're going to see the survey, and I can have it, and this is a little survey that I put together, and I can set it over here such that I can broadcast the results to all the users. I can save the results locally, and then I can simply stop sharing it. So I'm going to stop sharing this, and then we have the ability to load content into a presentation screen. And I can either load it from my account, or I can load it directly from my computer. So if I want to bring a video in and actually play a video, I could do that, or I can actually bring in a presentation, which I'll do now because I don't want the sound coming through while we're actually sitting here doing this presentation. So I can share a file. And then again, each one of these modules, I can make it go full screen so that the users get a much bigger view of this, and I can actually make the file bigger, make the file smaller. And while this is a presentation, I can actually still use this as a whiteboard and draw on the presentation at the same time. So there's a lot of functionality in this that will allow you to run meetings and do live presentations with a really professional look and feel for what you want to do. Now, one last thing I wanted to show you, we're talking about layouts. This is kind of a standard layout right here, and I'm going to disappear from the screen here for a moment. So I'll stop my broadcast, and now I'm not on the screen anywhere, but I can quickly change from one layout to another. So in other words, this is a video conference. If I want to go into a broadcast view, I can, with the click of a button, very quickly go into a broadcast view. I can go into a discussion view. And again, this is on the fly right while the meeting's going. I don't have to stop the meeting in order to do this. Here's a whiteboard presentation. And then to show you, you can create your own custom layouts. Here's one that I created that I actually use quite a bit. And I just pre-designed this where my whiteboard's here, and I can move the whiteboard. And this is kind of how I set up a standard conference, where I will be right here. All of my attendees will be over here. Then we have the attendee list, the chat, and the presentations in the middle, notes, the file share, and the Q&A. So I have most of the modules on the screen right off the bat, but if I want to pull in a whiteboard with a click of a button, I've got a whiteboard on the screen, and again, I can make it go full screen real quick. I can reduce it, or I can move it right out of the way and be done with it. So again, very, very powerful platform. This is just a quick overview to show you all of the different areas. Then I'm going to do a quick video on each one of these modules for you. So I hope that you found this to be helpful, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Take care.